Good morning, students. In this session, we are going to see two topics. The first topic is intangible heritage. It is in page number 76. Some aspects of culture like song, music, drama, cuisine, festivals are called intangible heritage. UNESCO aims to spread awareness of these and safeguard them. What is UNESCO? UNESCO is United Nations Educational, Scientific and Cultural Organization. Each country has some culture like song, music, drama. So those are called as an intangible heritage. So in Indonesia, hot wax is poured on fabric to create patterns, after which the waxed fabrics are dyed with vegetable colors. It is called batik. Batik is nothing but Indonesian technique of wax resist dyeing applied to a whole cloth. For a whole cloth, some wax will be applied in that. Through wax, some patterns will be created in the cloths. Okay. So, a second one is in Turkey, this traditional symbol of hospitality, friendship, refinement and entertainment is celebrated in literature and songs as well. Coffee. Coffee is not grown in Turkey. Not even one tree grows in this climate because the climate is not suited for growing coffee. But even though Turkey take a coffee as a traditional symbol for hospitality, friendship, refinement and entertainment. In Bangladesh, musicians travel from place to place and earn their living by singing to the accompaniment of simple instruments. In Bangladesh, musicians travel from place to place. That's called as baul. Originally from Africa, this Brazilian practice performed by men is fight, dance, sport, art form and tradition, all rolled into one. You can see the picture, it's like a fight, but also it's like a dance. So it is called as a capoeira. Okay, so next, Andalusia in Spain is the heartland of this artistic expression, fusing song, dance and musicianship. It's a fusing song. It's a song. They are dancing for a song. That's in a fusion type. That's called flamenco. In India, a tribe that catches snakes and trades in snake venom wears black costumes and performs a dance resembling the movement of serpents. Serpents is nothing but a snakes. So it is called as a kalbelia. It is called as a kalbelia. In Cambodia, this form of Khmer shadow theatre is considered sacred and features 2-meter-high puppets made of leathers. This SBK thong. Okay, what is puppets? Puppets is nothing but a bommalatam. Okay. In Mexico, groups of 4 or more male musicians perform traditional music using trumpets, violins and guitars. In our school Christmas celebration, we have chorus, is it? So, in Mexico, groups of 4 or more male musicians perform the traditional music called mariachi. In Argentina and Uruguay, this ballroom dance is characterized by marked rhythms and postures and abrupt pauses. Is called a tango. In tango, they will have some postures and rhythms. In tango, they have some marked rhythms and postures. In China, along the Yangtze River, this event includes a memorial ceremony to a local hero and various sporting events such as races and willow shooting. It is a dragon boat festival, Padagu Poti. Okay. Our next topic is the island of Zanzibar. It is given in page number 79. Zanzibar is a semi-autonomous region of Tanzania. It is an archipelago in the Indian Ocean and consists of many small islands and two large ones, in Kuja or Zanzibar and Pemba. The islands of Zanzibar are often called the Spice Islands because of the production and export of cloves, cinnamon, black pepper and nutmeg. Nutmeg is nothing but a jadikai. Okay. The official languages of Zanzibar are English, Swahili and Arabic. From ancient times, Zanzibar was seen as a gateway to mainland East Africa, and throughout history, the Portuguese, the Persians, the Omani and the British have fought to control the island. The capital of Zanzibar is a Zanzibar city. Its historic center is a UNESCO World Heritage Site called Stone Town. The capital of Zanzibar is a Zanzibar city. Zanzibar is the home of the endangered Cook's red colobus monkey. Zambar Island is a protected marine park where visitors can snorkel to enjoy the coral reefs of Zanzibar. The existence of the subspecies Zanzibar cerveline genet was discovered recently in 1995, which is why its conservation status is uncertain. Freddie Mercury, the lead singer of the popular rock and roll band Queen, was born in Zanzibar in 1946. Thank you.